Meu presente sou TT, sou seu Papa Noel. Seu presente é piroca e ela caiu do céu. 50% açúcar, 50% mel.
Guys, we almost died.
Il va tomber, il va se
We almost died doing this fucking shaker.
Yeah, it was amazing. I love it.
No, we were stuck. Haunted house.
Haunted house. Haunted house.
Regarde, à cause de la lumière, on dirait que mon bonnet il est blanc, genre. Toutes les couleurs.
Oui, non, moi je suis stressé parce que je sais que je suis. Je connais, je sais.
I feel you on the verge of breaking down at any minute. I lied when I told you I was fine, babe, I was not. No, I know what I did, yeah, and baby, I'm sorry, I know what that meant. I should've known better back then.
Y'all, I've been watching this legendary French TV show that I used to watch when I was younger. It's called Star Academy. Star Academy for the insiders. And I mean, I always, as you know, I sing a lot. I have a couple of songs on Spotify and stuff like this, but I haven't recorded anything for like 3 years. And also because I have not the best mic and a sound system and all of that, and it really motivated me to express myself again through music. And I have a bunch of songs I've written that I really wanted to record and stuff like this that I didn't do because of multiple of reasons. I didn't want to make too much noise in my share flat. I didn't have much time with work and stuff like this because I still was a student back then. So I had a bit more time flexibility, but as you know, I just love to pile on hobbies. So on top of reading, which I haven't done since my last vlog, on top of crocheting, which I keep doing, I think this is the one I do the most oftenly, I also wanted to add singing again. And maybe I would do myself like a 1 weekend out of 2, some recording sessions, maybe I record covers and stuff like this, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna unbox my new matos. En fait, how can I say matos in English? I think equipment. Because in French you say matériel, donc my equipment, and then you shorten it to matériel, matos. So it's like my equip. I don't know. I bought this like a month ago. I think I bought it a bit after coming back from Cameroon, so it's like, yeah, old, and I haven't had time to open it actually since I'm back. So because I was sick, because I was busy, because I was on a business trip. So you know. So first we have the mic. So it's Audio Technica, and it's the model 80 2020. I believe this is one of the most basic people use. It's still better quality than what I ever had. Also have a new sound box. So this is what I need to plug the mic into, because it's a condenser mic, so that the sound goes through my computer, basically. And I feel like I haven't vlogged, and you can't see me at all still. Anyway, I haven't vlogged in ages, I think since Cameroon, which was, as I said, a month ago. I have a vlog coming up for Cameroon, don't worry. If I edit it by then. I don't know why I want to take more time with like travel vlogs, because I want to make it pretty, and you know, it's my country. I have to make something that looks good. So in the meantime, you will have like those boring vlogs. That's all you get. So I've been to Cameroon. I was sick for a week. Then just focusing back on work, trying to get accustomed. I think I was a bit homesick for some reason. And I was a bit disconnected from everything, the cold, and I don't know. And then right when Christmas season started, so beginning of the month, I got back to my happier mood again, getting motivated to go out, to see people. And yeah, last week I was 4 days in Düsseldorf again because I'm switching teams and agencies. So I was there to do some hospitation and check out my new teammates, my new role, etc. So I am, as of now still, I will be, I'm media planner basically, media consultant. And as of January, I believe, I will be full-time manager for content and innovation. No, but this title is giving. It's giving, isn't it? We need the male one there. So let's see if anything. I'm gone, 'cause I lied. But I'm in the trees, I'm in the breeze, my footsteps on the ground. Tomorrow. Hello, welcome back. So, I'm vlogging my Christmas holidays and I'm back in France since yesterday evening, and now it's today evening and I am cooking for my fam. So yeah, let's go. Non mais alors je sais pas. So I'm trying to do something fun. I'm trying to make spaghetti, like vegetable noodles with some marinade of chicken, and I have to hurry up because it's already 8, right? Yeah, so I have to hurry. En plus j'ai zoomé pour des raisons que j'ignore. But who is making her smile like this? Why is she smiling on her phone? Are you talking to a boy?
J'ai aussi très sage cette année, j'aurai plein de cadeaux. Maxime, il faut que je te dise, sois gentil avec le Père Noël et dis-lui de me ramener une Switch.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Moi je fais juste des photos en fait. Là ça filme. Ah ça filme.
I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
What's the plan for tonight?
Crêpe au fil.
We're gonna eat a Korean barbecue and gin.
Favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got a rack.
How was the food?
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and
Uncle, what's Gucci? What's up?
fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the cheese. Put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus.
So basically I'm just try it like that and just do a shadow like that. Okay, I can't draw, but once I will, it'll be good. I promise. Anyway.